Okay, here we have a real nice 1955 Chevy Bel Air two-door sedan. It's got the 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the candy apple red paint with some ghost flames. And the interior color is saddle. This one's going for $54,900. It's got dual Edelbrock carbs. The Wild Mouse. That is pretty cool. Very nice interior. Okay, here we have a 1965 Plymouth Belvedere 2 two-door hardtop. It's got the 440 cubic inch V8 engine and an A727 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $34,500. Okay, here we have a 1972 Dodge Challenger hardtop. It's got the 360 cubic inch Magnum V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. This one's going for $27,500. It's got the 8 3/4 inch axle, front disc brakes. Okay, here we have a 1967 Oldsmobile 442. It's got the 400 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. This one's going for $66,500. This had the rotisserie restoration. It's a very beautiful car. A lot of work put into it. The interior is beautiful. Very nice. Okay, here we have a 1969 Plymouth Sport Satellite two-door hardtop. It's got the 383 V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And it's a numbers matching 383 and a numbers matching A727 TorqueFlite transmission. It's got the 8 3/4 inch 3.23 axle. This one's going for $66,500. Okay, next up we have a real sweet 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner hardtop. Okay, this Roadrunner is dressed as a GTX. It's got the 440 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got the 8 3/4 inch 3.54 axle. And it's going for $64,900. Okay, here we have a 1969 Plymouth Barracuda convertible. It's got the 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine and a 3-speed automatic. It's got 69,023 actual miles. And it's one of 245 built. And this one's going for $24,900. Okay, here we have a 1962 Thunderbird. There's no information on this car, but it's absolutely beautiful, and of course, it's custom. This is something you don't see every day. Oh my God, look at that interior. Okay, this is the 2007 Ford GT Factory 5 GTM Coupe. Going for $47,900. It's got the 5.7 liter LS1 V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Okay, here's a nice 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S Fastback Tribute. It's got a 340 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. And it's going for $49,500. Okay, here we have a 1958 Ford Thunderbird hardtop. It's got the 352 V8 engine and 3-speed automatic transmission. And it has 34,982 actual miles. And it's going for $26,900.